Dear friends, and let's do today the 3D model of the flower in Blender. This is my Blender project, this is my cube, and let us change its size and shape. So I'm pressing SZ and changing its height. A little bit more. Okay, now even more. Okay, now S white. And let it be like this. Now I'm going to modify properties and add modifier subdivision surface and changing those datas to 3. I think it's good. Right click of my mouse and choosing shade smooth. Now this is our petal. It looks nice. And let us change its shape more. Go into tab, edit mode, and let me choose edge selection mode, and by clicking Ctrl R, I'm adding the new edge. Let us move it. Let us move it down. Like this. I think it's good. And now let me do this part of my petal more narrow and this wider, for example. So I'm going to face selection mode, choosing this face and pressing SY. Do it narrowing. Okay, now let's go to this face, choose it, and the same SY. Let's do it wider. Let's see. I think it's nice. It will be our petal. Now let's go to object mode and let's copy our petal. So it has to be selected. Shift D. You did a copy. Let us turn it a little bit like this. Move it like that. Okay, and let us continue the same way. Choose the petal. Shift D. Okay, let us copy. And last one. And maybe one more. Shift D. I think it's good. We have different petals, like it's more realistic for real life. And let us do the center of the flower. Add mesh sphere. Right click on it, shade smooth, and holding S and do it smaller. Let's move it to the center. I think it's like it has to be done. I think I have to make the petals to be a little bit realistic, so they have to be different, more different shape. So let's go to this one, for example. Let's go to edit mode. Face selection mode is selected. Select this and do it more narrow. And for this petal, choosing this and do it wider. Oh, our center. I have to move it down. I think it looks better, and let us colorize. So I'm choosing the petal, and for all of them actually, go to material properties and choosing base color. Let it be red. Let me see how it will be. Maybe darker red. And let us choose the middle part. Go to materials. There is no material yet, we have to create it. And the same base color, let it be yellow. I think it's nice. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon.